Hello everyone, my name is Bino, and in this video we'll differentiate the following function using one of the laws of logarithms. We have to differentiate y is equal to x raised to the power sin x plus x, and the logarithmic law that we are going to use states that if you have the ln of a raised to the power b, then this will be equal to the exponent of the a, which is the b, multiplied by the ln a. We are going to use this law because we have to remove the sin x plus x as the exponent of the x. So we introduce the log both sides of the equation. On the left hand side we'll have the ln of y, which will be equals to the ln of the x raised to the power sin x plus x. As per this law, the sin x plus x from the exponent of the x will multiply with the ln x, and on the left hand side we'll have the ln y. From here we can differentiate, so the derivative of the ln y will be equals to 1 over y multiplied by the dy divided by the dx, and this will be equals to, so in order for us to differentiate sin x plus the product rule states that if you have y is equal to f of x multiplied by the g of x, the derivative of the y will be equal to the derivative of the function f of x, and this will be multiplied by the original function g of x plus the derivative of the function g of x, which we multiply with the f of x. In our case, we have to differentiate the sin x plus x, so the derivative of the sin x will be equal to cos x, and the derivative of the x will be equal to 1. We multiply this by the ln x plus the derivative of the ln x, which is equal to 1 over x, and we multiply this by the function sin x plus x. Since we have to determine the dy divided by the dx, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by y, and even on the right hand side we multiply by y. So the y on the right hand side will be multiplied by the cos x plus 1 multiplied by the ln x plus 1 over x multiplied by the sin x plus x, and that y will cancel out, and on the left hand side we'll be left with the derivative of the y with respect to x, and this will be equals to the y multiplied by the cos x plus 1, which we multiply with that ln x, plus the 1 over x multiplied by the sin x plus x, and in the place of this y we are going to substitute x raised to the power sin x plus x. So the derivative of the y with respect to x, we don't want y on the right hand side, we only want the variable x, so we are going to substitute the y with the x raised to the power sin x plus x. This will be multiplied by the cos x plus 1 multiplied by the ln x plus 1 over x multiplied by the sin x plus x.